So, you're about to start another project.
I am.
On another car. You guys may have seen us in the last video tease this a little bit. Sal gave us his input on the car, but I think it's time to uncover this beast. Pretty sweet.
It's beautiful.
Are you excited for that one?
Yes. I'm jealous.
What do you
Jordan's
think?
here to help.
Hey, Jordan. Yeah.
What's going on?
3, 2, 1. Oh, baby. What? Performante!
Bright red.
Bright red.
So this is a company called DME Tuning's car. They actually installed our Alpha 9 turbo kit on the car already. We're going to remove the back half of the car like you've seen us do before, pull the trans, and it actually is getting upgraded to an Alpha 12 package. So we're going to be doing Motec, we're going to be doing fuel system, upgraded trans, upgraded clutch. Other than that, it's still the GTX Series 3582 turbochargers, stainless steel exhaust, Alpha 9 Performante, and it's bright red, so it's pretty sweet.
Let's do it.
Lamborghini customers, paint match your corners. Style points. He's not wrong. It is.
He's not wrong. He's not wrong.
What up, big guy? Anything you want to say to...
Oh, cup holder in a Lamborghini? Are you crazy? If you guys have seen our kits before, you notice that the blow-off valve placement's a little bit different on this Performante. Would you like to kind of explain what's going on, why the Performante kit, at least the intercooler, is just a little bit different?
The Huracan Performante has what's called an ALA system, brings in air through the vents in the deck lid into these vents, and there's actually flaps in these vents that allow the air in through these uprights on the wing, and then expels the air underneath to increase like high-speed stability and stuff like that. So with those vents being in there, our stock placement on the blow-off valves is normally right back here. They basically normally sit right back here behind this deck lid panel. And then with the Performante, so that we can retain all of the factory ALA system, we place them up near the cross brace up there. And they tuck really nicely up into this pocket on the hatch.
If you order a kit from us for a Performante, you will specifically get this style of setup so you can keep your factory ALA system. That's just something kind of cool to mention while we have a Performante here that we're working on. So we got the rear bumpers off, center grill's off. So as you can see, this is the turbo kit that DME Tuning had already previously installed. All right, let's get back to it.
Yeah. Very good.
Fuel system stuff.
Yeah, so kind of got a jump on you.
You did. That's
Got
all
the
good.
seats out. Got this rear panel out. Got that rear panel out. Just got to get it out of the car still. And then we'll just kind of loosen up all of these. Okay, so we got two TI Automotive brushless pumps.
Nice.
The brackets to install them. But these are brushless pumps. They can basically run until they don't. You can turn them up quite a bit. Plenty of fuel.
These
We've
are
got another factory. These need to stop rolling away. This is a factory fuel pump controller. So rather than using what you guys may have seen, or if you are aware of our GTR pump controllers, this is all stock, so it interfaces with the car like stock. And then we've got some line. We've got a template that sets into the fuel basket. We'll show you once we get to that point.
for you to cut, right?
Yeah, so it's almost like they designed it to have two pumps in it, and then they decided to just do one. I don't know. We've just got some fittings and stuff for the fuel lines that go into the engine bay. All the O-rings and hardware. Some more hardware for the hanger. Two new OEM top hat seals.
Nice.
In case you tear them. Usually, I mean, these cars are low miles, so they're in good shape when you pull them apart, but just in case, replacements for that. And then this is the billet top piece
To connect the two
for the two pumps to have a singular feed. Anodized red to match the top hat, which is also really pretty.
Oh, yeah. Yup.
Yeah,
That looks good.
but no, everything's included. We'll kind of run you through it on the install.
Well, I might not be here for the install, so that's why I just want to go over this now so you guys see it. So if I come back later this afternoon and he's like somehow just
Completely done.
went ham on this system, at least you know what went into the car.
Correct.
So
There's two separate fuel tanks in these cars that sit about right here on each side. And our fuel system kit retains all of that. So everything's gonna work like stock. You're not gonna have issues where at a half tank the car starts starving for fuel or anything goofy. It literally, everything drops in like stock. You put it back together like stock. You don't really know that anything's there aside from there'll be some fuel lines coming up into the engine bay, which with all the covers on you don't see anyways. Retaining drivability, retaining stockness, retaining the OEM look and feel and everything, that's #1 goal. So a few minutes ago we were just talking about this, but it wasn't put together. So what this is the stock hanger, and then this will drop right into the factory basket, and then there's a whole bunch of line. So yeah, we've just been picking away at it.
Dale.
That's the worst.
Dude, no,
You're
it's
just
not.
like, eh,
no, it's not.
and you.
And Dale is here. Transmission is actually technically in right now, but in this episode we got it removed. So next episode,
You'll
more
see us run through a lot of stuff. Stay tuned for more.
So with that being said, guys, if you want to see more of this build, it's going to be coming very soon. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video below. Liking really helps the algorithm. And we heard a lot of you guys in our post on the YouTube community tab. You guys want to see more Cube content? We got one right here. This thing is going to get a fully built motor, fully built transmission. You do not want to miss this build. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching the channel. We'll see you in the next one.